This year, I'll make £120,000 profit just working 1 to 2 hours a day on this business.
In case you don't know, Jats and I recently had a 1 hour long Zoom call where he shared golden nuggets about his business for free. And we agreed to give you both my program and his program together.
And no, it's not something illegal. And for this business, you don't need to have a degree or tens of thousands of pounds to risk. And what's crazy is that I started this business from my home with just my laptop and an internet connection. So if you
this works for Jat's business and my business.
Have these two, then you can do the same if you want to. And the best part about this business is that I don't need to create any ads or build stores or manage a company.
How crazy. I do the same.
Instead, I just piggyback on the largest e-commerce retailer in the world, Amazon.
And here's the difference. I don't do Amazon, and yet my students earn commissions like this. But wait, this is not a get-rich-quick scheme, and the results are not typical.
All I need to do is find branded products like this that are selling well on Amazon, buy them for cheaper in bulk, and send it off to Amazon. Then just keep reinvesting the profits and keep repeating the process. Now, I've been doing this for 3 years.
And he learned a lot. What he shared in our conversation is worth more than any paid course out there. If you want to watch this conversation and get access to both of our programs in one go, send me a DM chat and I will share with you the link to the video.